What's up, guys? Captain Rick Stanczyk here. I'm about to head out on a fishing charter. Haven't been on a charter in a little while. The Keys have still been shut down, but good news, they're opening up June 1st. Today, though, I got some locals that have a house down here. They want to go catch some big tarpon. Haven't been tarpon fishing in a little bit. We did do a video 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I've heard the bite's been good. A lot of big fish around, and not too many people messing with them, so hopefully they're cooperative. All right, keep watching. Hopefully we'll get some good stuff. Little gumdrop here. Perfect. Oh, I think he threw it.
Leave the rod tip down to me.
Yeah, I know. It's but yeah, just when they're running and surging, if you're pulling, it's just you pull the hook off. Yeah, yep. And yeah, just watch them around the bow. If you got to go around the bow there, just kind of walk right around, just try to keep them out of the trolling motor there. I think we'll be all right. And you can go ahead and just put a few more clicks of drag on there.
Right.
Just, yep. Yeah, just 3 or 4 clicks.
Nice.
There he is. All right, nice little tarpon. Sweet. We'll try to get a where you can just grab them with a glove.
Yeah.
Yep. Fun size. All right, nice tarpon. Here, if you want to come down and just kind of
Switch with the jug.
yeah, just put that glove on, and you can just try to get them in the bottom lip there. I'll keep the GoPro rolling, so I can just send you a picture if I get it.
Okay.
All right, nice tarpon. Sweet. All right. There he goes. You want to just all right, awesome. There he goes. Nice job.
Thanks, man.
He was probably like a 30-pounder. Little guy, but fun size. Oh, just like that. He missed it. Yeah, I'd let it out if you need, yeah. Up there, and same thing like in the Gulf Coast, Louisiana, and Texas. They don't get nearly as many as we do, but they do get some of the big giant ones there.
It's cool when its tail's out of the water like that. Turn your head.
Ooh, nice fish. Ooh.
Wow, that's a good pick.
All right, nice tarpon. We're gonna try to jump in here with them.
Okay. Tell me what to do. Want to go back?
You should be okay. And then yeah, just kind of reel them up with the line.
Lower?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is awesome.
All right, nice fish. We're gonna let him go. All right.
You want to hop in,
coming
Jack?
out.
Too late.
Yeah.
And he's swimming away.
Wow.
There he goes. All right. Nice job, buddy.
Thank you.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
All right, big tarpon, got to jump in there with him. Don't get to do that every day.
What do I do?
yeah, I think it might
Just hang on for now.
I could.
Yeah, you're good.
I thought I had it.
Hey, I don't want to get, Rick, I don't want to.
You're good. Real. You go ahead and step up. You're gonna have to step over.
Oh, man. Y'all see that jump?
Here, I'll get it.
Hey, I'm on Jack's rod.
Yeah, that's all right. You're good now.
All right.
If you could just walk up to the bow, just take those baits off and just throw them in the back live well there.
Let you take the baits off.
Real fast, okay? Real, and go all the way up to the bow and just sit on that platform up there. All right, hang on, guys, 'cause I think this fish is doing the same thing. Good job. Same thing he did. Same exact thing. I'll be pulling on this guy for a little bit longer. All right, bye.
Good.
Stay up this way around to the front of the boat there.
Work your way around here. Showtime.
Cooperative. Yeah, just kind of lay the rod in the boat if you would too, so it's not sticking up. Just lay everything
See
in
if
the
you
boat.
can get it through the hole. Nice job. All right, game on.
Made that look easy.
It wasn't.
So this number 5. Prioritize the boat over the fish.
One of these days we're gonna swing here.
Oh!
Just jumped right there. That was cool. Here, take it, Dad. Take it.
Take it, take it.
We'll be a little more careful this time if he makes a move.
Still on?
Does it look like he went through there?
I just saw him
Say goodbye.
You can loosen the drag now and I can try to get back.
Left. Nice job, Rick.
Oh, that was a good one.
Right on the other side there. I'll start kind of working them on the leader here a little bit. And just kind of reel that slack in as I bring it to you.
Pretty good.
Hey, Jack. Stay on that side.
Alright. Nice tarpon.
Nice, Dad. Nice.
Wow.
There we go. Now you can stick it in the holder there if you want.
Wow.
All right, guys. Well, that was pretty exciting. Tarpon fishing there, about as crazy as bridge fishing gets. It's a battle sometimes. Something I love and hate about this boat. It's bigger and it's nice, so you can't be as aggressive. But I was going for it today, and luckily nothing too bad happened. Scratched the trolling motor a little bit, but could have been worse. But anyways. Probably won't be as aggressive next time. That's the one good thing about fishing in my old Seacraft. It was a little smaller, and it was a lot easier to maneuver making those turns when those fish get around those bridge pilings. They just know what they're doing. So might have to break a few more off in the future. But anyways, it was exciting. Thanks for watching, guys. Keep watching. We're gonna keep bringing it to you. And keys are open June 1st. So book your summertime trips. We're ready. The fish are ready. Let's go catch them. All right, see you.